Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem on your iPhone. So if you have iPhone error 4000, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to update your iTunes, and if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your general. In the general, just open software update and just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here your download and install, it means that you have available updates for your iPhone. So just tap on download and install and it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to go to display and brightness. In the settings, just scroll down, just tap on auto lock and just choose here never in auto lock. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also just try to go to Face ID and just remove your passcode from your phone. So sometimes it also helps. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you connect your phone with cable, just try to use another cable. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.